Hey everybody, welcome back. Part 2 of the unknown oscilloscope. And thank you to the comments I received. The Master, Ken, another guy there, I'm sorry your name escapes me at the moment, I will remember it though. And well, you all agreed that, yeah, it's an oscilloscope. And we really need to find out a lot more about it. That's going to be the hard bit. But I've had a look around and we'll start with the valves. Now, they're all Mullard valves, and they're all made in Australia. So, that's one clue. That's good. The Master suggested that I look at the CRT, and I've got a serial number on it, which is 798. Actually, I'll bring the camera in so you can see it as well. So it looks like an 8 on the end with M9K. Anyway, that could be it. So there's right there, it's hard to see, but right in there there's what appears to be a line transformer. It's made by Roller. And it's got a date on it, 3rd of June 1963. So that's something. So at least we've got a starting date. It looks original to me, so I don't think it's been replaced. The cap cans, well, I can't read any dates on it or anything like that, but the Ducons. But we do have inside it see another little transformer, and it's definitely not a choke because we've got inputs and outputs on this, but there is also what looks to be a date, which is 3-64, so that's March 1964. So if that's original, I would say that at least the earliest the earliest age this can be is 1964. Also the, where are they? Here we are. We've got the ceramic resistors, about 4 of them, and they're also Australian made. So it's unlikely that, sorry, I'll say this. I'd say that the CRT was imported into Australia. It's unlikely this was built anywhere other than Australia, because why would the Brits import Australian resistors and valves? They make their own. So I believe this was made here. Also, we've got a couple of pots, and 2 of them, 2 calibration. Oh well, one's a pot here for one of the knobs, and it's made also here in Australia by a G. Norton and Company, and so we've got 2 of those, and that further just reinforces my belief that it was made locally, probably here in Melbourne. So the valve layout, and let's have a look at it. I'll bring it up here. So as you can see, starting on the left, don't know what it is. Unfortunately, the lettering has just come right off. 6BX6, 6BL8, 2 6BL8s down the bottom, another 2 6BL8s up the top there on the right, and 6EB8s. So that's the valve lineup. It doesn't tell me much at all. But I'll just pull out the unknown valve, and I'll just show it to you. Ew. Now, shine a light on it, see if that helps. As you can see, there's 2 plates on there. I thought this might have been some sort of rectifier, but it doesn't appear to be. It's a bit too short. 6X4s, those rectifiers, they're a lot taller than this. Unfortunately, I just cannot really make out other than it's a Mullard, and actually there's the word great, GREA, so this could have come from Great Britain. Possibly. But yeah, don't know, I can't tell what a valve is just by looking at it. can see the two plates in there. But anyway, I'll put that back, and I'm going to start off by changing the filter caps, and I'll start off with this one. It's 250 microfarads at 300 volts each. I'm going to put in 247s because that's all I've got, and hopefully they'll read a little bit higher than 47, so close enough to 50. And I'm going to be taking that cap can right off the chassis because I simply just don't have enough room underneath to hide them. So I'm going to be mounting them up the top here, probably just gluing them down, no doubt. But I'm going to start on that, and then I'll come back and we'll give it a power test and see that it's still working. Well, I finally got those caps in. I wasn't able to get that old cap can out. Unfortunately, the earth lugs from the body of the can, they've all been soldered to the chassis, and I can't. Well, my little soldering iron, that one. Where is it? There. There. Yeah, I can't see. There it is. There. That just hasn't got enough oomph in it to desolder that. So I've had to leave that in. And there's the cap cans. There's the new caps there. And this is a straightforward one. 250s. As I said, I've put 47s in place. One of them reads at 47.5, the other one reads at 49.5, so close enough, really. And straightforward cap can, two positive terminals, each with 50 microfarad resistors, capacitors in there, and the body of the can is just is the earth. So, where are we? So I've just snipped them off and extended the wiring from the caps and to the where they should go, to these, where is it, that one and that one there, and they're not going to go anywhere. And of course, where are we? Yeah, so I've just earthed, and negative, well, straight to earth, way down the bottom there, just ran a wire. So let's power it up and see what we get. And I'll just zoom this around, and in fact, we'll just check the voltages. I'll pick one. This one will do. Okay, I think that's on. Yeah, that's on. Alright, and yes, you can see it. Alright, so a little bit of power. And there it comes. And just bring it up slowly. Brand new caps. So I'm at 180 volts of mains. Let's bring it up. 220. Oop, overshot the mark. Oh, that'll do. That's full power. No smoke, no nothing. Voltage is stabilised. And, oh yeah, we've got signal. Where did I move that? I can never remember. Oh, there it is. So yeah, we can see the little beam there. It's going about halfway across the screen. Everything looks good. Current limit is fine. Voltage is steady at 215 volts. I suspect that the other cap will be the same. Oh, this one's down to 195, 196, whatever. Yeah. So again, nice and stable. So I'm going to switch that off. And we've got two caps here. And these ones are easy. If I look at them, and I'll try and come in. There we go. I mean, that diode's in the way there, but what can you see? No, we'll stick with this one. So 2 terminals. This is an insulated cap. So this terminal here has got a red paint on it, on the actual metal, which tells me that's positive, and the other terminal right there, that's negative. And when I first started off with these caps, they did confuse the hell out of me. But if I'm right, what I'll do, get my multimeter, and I'll put my negative terminal on the positive of the cap, and my positive on the negative of the cap, and I should end up seeing negative voltage on the multimeter. So let's turn it up. As you can see, yeah, negative 55 volts. So the red dot is correct, it is positive. So I'll change both of those, and then again I'll come back, we'll have another test. Well, the cap cans are all done, and here are the 2 100s. So the original cans are out, and yeah, I just glued them there. And there's a 24 sitting just there. Alright, so that was all pretty easy. Well, getting the cans out wasn't easy, that's for sure. Let's give this a test. Just swivel it around this way. Get the light up there. And yeah, let's just go for it and turn the power on. I should monitor something, I suppose. Let me see. I know. I will monitor. Let me find something. One of the new caps. I found one. Finally found some connections to go to, and let's give it some power. Well, that one's working. That's good. No smoke that I can see. Just taking it up slowly. Right, it's about 180 volts. So far, so good. There we go, full power. Let's see, will our screen work? Hope so. There it goes. As you can see. There we are, right in the middle. And I can slow it down. Not bad, not bad. Alright, that's a good start. What I will do now, I'm going to cut this video short because I've given you and myself a bit of information, as much information I can glean out of this, with dates and where the majority of the parts are made here in Australia. So any thoughts, any help would be most appreciated. I would love to get the user manual for this. Otherwise, you know, I'm just flying blind on it. But I'll leave this video out for a day or so and see what comments you've got, guys, and then we'll come back and I'll change the other 3 electrodes that are in there and the rest of those paper caps, and we'll see how it operates. So I'll come back very, very shortly. Take care. See you soon.